It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Perfect. It's good.
Hey, make it down, please.
It's just like regular jerky.
I like to eat the rest of it.
I want it.
You gonna try it?
Yep. Is it good?
Tastes alright.
Okay.
What flavor is that one? Cajun. Can you pass it to somebody else so they can try some? What do you think?
Pass it back, Colin.
Hot. I think it's good. It's hot. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
So hot.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Up or down?
The spicy one's bad.
It's so spicy that even a baby can eat it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Gator Jerky. I think it is.
I think it
This is the Cajun one, so it's a little hotter than the others, but yeah, I don't think it's bad. The barbecue one was real good. Try it.
Could I have another bite, Mom?
Did you eat the other ones already?
Yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, could I,
Pretty good.
I think it's good. Look at Emmy. He's like,
Mom, could I have another bite?
You want more?
Let my $10 bill.
You may.
Gator Jerky.
Just like that you were gonna hand
See
me.
how it tastes.
I know what
Oh, you even got your own Gator Jerky?
Yes, I did.
$4.
For 2 Gator Jerky.
$2.
That's good.
You know what
It's good.
Thumbs up. Thumbs
Double thumbs up.